Hello, my name is Marcin Nadolny and I am Bioprocess Project Leader for Cytiva. The past 2 years have brought many challenges for our customers. When I see a chance to make things easier for them, I do it. Recently, a customer in travel-restricted area purchased a Cytiva lab instrument. I knew it would be weeks before an engineer could travel to their lab to install the machine, but I also knew the customer could probably handle the installation themselves, with the right support. So I suggested a remote session using Cytiva's OptiRun View augmented reality platform. I guided the customer through the installation and the machine was up and running the same day. Click the link below to read the story.